Prepare a DC input power cable. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage and ensure that the polarities are correct. Remove dust-proof caps. Connect DC power cables. Remove dust-proof caps. Connect battery cables. Connect the other end of the battery. Prepare a signal cable. Disassemble the signal cable connector. Route the signal cable through the locking cap and then the waterproof rubber plug. Insert the wires into the corresponding pins of the terminal and secure the wires. Remove dust-proof caps. Connect the signal cable connector to the COM port. Secure the signal cable connector. Connect the inverter to the EMA. Connect the EMA and battery to the inverter. Connect the inverter to the power meter. Connect the power meter and battery to the inverter. Connect the inverter to the smart card. Connect the inverter to the smart card and battery. Take the 4G smart dongle as an example. For FE communication, install the WLAN FE smart dongle. Insert the SIM card. Check that the snap fits on both sides are secured. Install the smart dongle to the inverter. Install an anti-theft component for the smart dongle. Remove the watertight cap from the ANT port. Install the washer to the ANT port on the device. Install the WLAN antenna. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the AC switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Scan the QR code on the smart card to create a plan. The inverter is powered on and running properly.